AirPods Pro. Typical Apple packaging with the magical pull tab to tear into the plastic film. It's about time every other piece of tech had this, don't you think? Makes things much simpler. With that out of the way, let's dive right into this. First, we're greeted by the Designed by Apple in California tab, which holds the Quick Start guide and some documentation, and no Apple stickers. The Quick Start guide will get you started with the basic controls and also will let you know about the controls for noise cancellation. Let's keep that aside and get to the start of the show now. That gloss. Wow. I'll come back to that in a bit. Let's see what's hiding beneath this, shall we? It's the two pairs of silicone tips, small and large. Now, the ones that are pre-installed are size medium, pretty obviously. Now, there's also a small test on the phone that automatically checks the fit of the tips in your ears. The cable included here is Lightning to USB Type-C. These Apple cables do support power delivery and can be used to fast charge supported devices with a power delivery charger. I'll leave a link to one just below the like button if you want to check it out. Putting all this aside, here's a closer look at the AirPods. Right in the front is an LED indicator. Having it here on the outside makes so much more sense than on the inside like the Gen 1 AirPods. Comment below if you agree. Here's the Lightning port, and on the back, below that super satisfying hinge, is the pairing button that is used to connect it to non-Apple devices. So yeah, it does connect to Android and Windows. The Apple H1 system in package that powers this adds Bluetooth 5.0 support and also does a great job at improving the battery life apparently. It's something I'll have to test out in the full review. It's also got Hey Siri support and wireless charging. The gyroscopes in the AirPods enable the spatial audio support with the iOS 14 update. More of that in the full review. The silicone tips on the AirPods sure make them stay in place in many more ears than the regular AirPods. There's the standard in-ear detection also and a pressure-sensitive surface on the stem. Although the shape looks kind of funny, they are really comfortable. Here they are right next to the first generation AirPods, and also putting them back in the case is just as satisfying as before. So yeah, that's a quick look at the AirPods Pro. I will have a full review on these coming out very soon, along with a few other cool videos that I've got lined up. So subscribe if you've not already done that, and also hit the bell before checking out other videos on our channel. Thank you for watching 3 Minute Tech, and see you around.